In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate USD M Futures on Binance, a process as relevant in 2025 as it is today. USD M Futures, often referred to as USD margined futures, are a type of futures contract that is margined and settled in stablecoins like USDT or USDC, which distinguishes them from Coin M futures that use the underlying cryptocurrency as collateral. First things first, you will need a Binance account, and it's essential that you complete your KYC or identity verification. This is a crucial step because you need a verified account to access derivatives such as futures. Typically, this means having at least a Level 1 or Level 2 verification. Also, ensure that your jurisdiction allows futures trading, as there are certain regions where this might be restricted. Next, let's open the Futures section. If you're using the web version of Binance, navigate to the Derivatives tab in the top navigation bar and select USD M Futures. If you're on the mobile app, simply tap on the Futures option located at the bottom menu and then choose the USD M trading option. When you're in the USD M Futures section, you'll likely see a prompt to open a futures account or to activate your futures trading. You'll need to agree to Binance's futures agreements and the risk disclaimer. This step is in place because trading futures involves a considerable amount of risk, and Binance wants to ensure you're fully aware of what you're getting into. At this point, Binance usually requires you to pass a brief quiz or a training module focused on the risks associated with futures and margin trading. This is part of their compliance effort to make sure all users are informed about the intricacies and risks of futures trading before they dive in. Once your USD M Futures account is set up, you'll need to transfer some margin or collateral funds into your USD M Futures wallet. Typically, this involves moving stablecoins like USDT or USDC from your spot wallet or fiat and spot wallet into the newly activated futures wallet. To do this, use the transfer function in your Binance wallet and select the USD M Futures wallet as your target. Before you begin trading, take a moment to check your settings and risk controls. You can choose between different margin modes, such as cross or isolated, if supported. Also, it's advisable for beginners to start with low leverage to mitigate potential risks. Finally, you're ready to start trading. With funds in your USD M Futures wallet, you can select a contract, such as BTC, USDT, or any other of your choice, and proceed to place your orders. As always, trade responsibly and stay informed about the risks and rewards. Thank you for joining the guide today, and happy trading on Binance.